Hello everyone, welcome to our learning video. Today we will learn the names of 30 vegetables. Let's begin. Carrot, orange and crunchy. Potato, grows under the ground. Tomato, red and juicy. Onion, adds flavour to food. Garlic, makes food tasty and healthy. Ginger, used in cooking and tea. Cabbage, a leafy green vegetable. Cauliflower, looks like a white flower. Broccoli, looks like a small green tree. Spinach, a healthy green leafy vegetable. Peas, small and round. Beans, long and green. Cucumber, cool and refreshing. Capsicum comes in green, red and yellow. Eggplant/brinjal, usually purple. Okra/lady's finger, long and green. Pumpkin, large and orange. Radish, white and crunchy. Beetroot, deep red in colour.
Corn, yellow kernels and sweet.
Sweet potato, soft and sweet when cooked. Turnip, round and white. Zucchini, long and green. Bottle gourd, light green and bottle-shaped. Bitter gourd, bitter in taste but healthy. Ridge gourd, long with ridges. Mushroom, soft and white or brown. Chili pepper, can be spicy. Mint leaves, has a fresh smell. Coriander leaves, used to garnish and add flavour. Great job! You have learned 30 vegetable names. Keep learning and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.